Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn about the square roots of complex numbers. Now suppose I've come across these questions. Find the square roots of the complex numbers, which is the root of negative 9, the root of negative 16, the root of negative 32, and the root of negative 20. How can we overcome this type of questions? But before that, please remember to hit the bell for a subscription so that you never miss out any academic videos that I'll be posting on this academic channel. Thank you. How can we solve these questions? The root of negative 9. The root of negative 9 is just same as writing negative 1 times 9. So negative 9 times 1 is equals to negative 9. So this information which is here and this information is just the same. Now I can able to split this. This same as writing negative 1 times negative 9 because there is multiplication here. So the root of negative 1 under complex numbers, the root of negative 1 is just same as saying I. So where there is the root of negative 1, I'll write I times the root of 9 like that. So I times what is the root of 9? It is 3. So I times 3, it is 3I. So the square root of negative 9 is 3I. How about the square root of negative 16? The root of negative 16 is just same as also writing negative 1 times 16. So since there's multiplication, it's just writing negative 1 times the root of 16. The root of negative 1 times the root of 16. So the root of negative 1 is I. So I'll write I there. Times what is the square root of 16? It is 4. So I times 4, it is 4I. How about the root of negative 32? The root of negative 32 is just also same as writing negative 1 times 32. All of them are under the square root like that. So since there's multiplication, we can split them, which is the root of negative 1 times the root of 32. So the root of negative 1 is I times what's this the root of 32? 32 there, it's just same as writing 2 times 16. So 2 times 16, it will give us 32. Okay, so I times since there's also multiplication there, we can split them. So it will be the root of 2 times the root of 16 like that. So I times the root of 2 times what's the root of 16? It is 4. So I times the root of 2 times 4, it is 4 the root of 2I. So 4 the root of 2I is the root or is the square root of negative 32. How about the root of negative 20? The root of negative 20 is also same as writing negative 1 times 20. So negative 1 times 20, it will give us negative 20 there. So since there's also multiplication, we can split them. So negative 1, the root of negative 1 times the root of 20 there. So the root of negative 1 under complex numbers, it is I times the root of 20, same as saying 4 times 5. So 4 times 5, which is under the square root, it will give us the root of 20 there. So I times we can also split them. We can have the root of 4 times the root of 5 like that. So I times what's the root of 4? The root of 4 is 2 times the root of 5 like that. So I times 2 times the root of 5 is same as saying 2 the root of 5I. So 2 the root of 5I is the square root of negative 20. Thank you for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.